Here today we got a 1963 Datsun mini truck for sale at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. This truck is in excellent condition for the age, in my opinion. It's been redone at some point. As they call it, a 320 truck. Super small motor, runs good. Under the hood is really detailed out. I do got a little box of extra parts and some service manuals that come with it. Inside of the bed's pretty clean. It does have a couple spots on the tailgate where the paint's flaking. And this is a 1963 Datsun mini truck here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call or send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out.